Within the last hour, we heard from acting mayor Chris Scanlon. 2 on Your Side's Nate Benson has been following this legal fight from day one. So, Nate, what is Scanlon saying about the decision?
Yeah, good evening, Scott and Mary Alice. The acting mayor is applauding a swift and strong decision from Judge Emilio Koliakovo, saying that the comptroller failed in her duties to go to the bond market for $110 million after the council passed that capital budget last December. In his written ruling, Judge Koliakovo wrote, quote, regardless of her intentions, by inserting herself into this process, the comptroller exceeded her mandate and failed to abide in her ministerial role as provided by the city charter. Now, lawyers for the comptroller argued a 1945 and 1994 resolution passed by the Common Council gave the comptroller discretion in a situation like this, but Judge Koliakovo disagreed, writing again, quote, no resolution exists that conveys a veto power to check which the executive and legislature properly completed. To claim otherwise is unsupported by law and fact. Acting Mayor Scanlon once again was grateful by the decision by the judge, but recognizes that this litigation will cost taxpayers additional money. But it's an example of is this an example of dysfunction at City Hall? It's a question I had for the mayor a short time ago. How do you rebuild kind of the trust of the public that everyone's kind of working towards the same goal and not having chaos like this?
Well, I think at the end of the day, everyone involved here, the big conversation was, does it hurt the city financially? So I think everyone was on the same page. No one wanted to harm the city financially. The argument was, does it or not? And it doesn't. 82 of the $110 million is reimbursed. And we're right back at the $28 million cap that the comptroller initially wanted to implement. So we are not looking to borrow anything long-term in excess of that cap.
Now, I reached out to the city controller a short time ago. They have not fully reviewed the decision by Judge Emilio Koliakovo, so they did not have a comment at this time and told me they would reach out once they do. Live and on your side outside City Hall in downtown Buffalo, Nate Benson, Channel 2 News.